Take off this trim piece right here. Just use a pocket screwdriver or a trim tool. There's a little area right there where you can pop it out. It's just clipped in on the back. There's a little cover right here. You can just use a trim tool, pop that off. Now take this screw out, use a T20 socket. And use a T20 socket, take this screw out. And get behind the panel with a trim tool and pop the clips off. There's clips all the way around the door panel. These are already loose. Pop that off. And then slide the panel up and out. You just want to pop that just like that with a trim tool or a screwdriver, and then it slides right out. Disconnect the connectors, just push down on the tabs. And the other connector has a little lock on it. You gotta pull the lock out. I'll show you the lock when it's out, and just push on the tab. So this lock is in here like this. You just want to use a pocket screwdriver. Just pop this up like that, and then you can push down on that, or if the lock comes out completely, it's a little bit easier. So pop that out. With the door handle, I'm just going to use a pocket screwdriver and just pop the clips off. Right here. And you kind of put a little bit of pressure on it, and it's clipped in over here. Then it slides right off. It's clipped in over there and over there as well. Take the new door handle, and the same way it came out, we're going to clip it in over here and on the bottom, and then just push it in. And it just locks in place. Now I'm going to connect the window switch and the mirror switch connector. Lock that on. Take the cable, and the ball end is going to slide into there on the latch or the handle. Then it's going to go through. There's a little slot where the cable goes through. Slide that through the slot, and then it's going to lock on. Push that on, make sure it's clipped on the front. You can try it. That looks good. Now take the door panel, slide it over the lock rod. That's going to go through there. And then clip it in up top with the push pins lined up. Just tap the panel in so it locks down. And push that in, make sure that's all the way around. That looks good. Screws back in. And snug it down. And the screw that goes in here, put that one in and snug it down. Put this cover back in. Put this trim piece back in, line it up, and lock it down.